Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about attributes in AutoCAD. So first thing that we need to understand is what is an attribute in AutoCAD. So if you go to definition of attributes in AutoCAD, it says that an attribute is a data that is associated with a block. So whatever block we are creating here, it is associated with our block and or object, and you assign attributes to provide additional information about an object. So if you are working for any company manufacturing, or you are required to give more details about this object, like it's whether it is a dining table or meeting table, you can provide information using attributes. And also attribute is used to create sheet formats. So I am going to enter ATTT on my command panel, or you can also go to this block and select this symbol here, that is for define attributes. If you click this, you can see this is for attribute definition. And first thing, I'm going to explode this, and now this is individual. You can explode using X on your command panel. And now I am going to enter ATTT on my command panel, and you can select this attribute definition, and now this window will open. So now this is attribute, and this is the mode, and by default is the lock position. So I will leave it default. And attributes, you are required to first provide a tag, and this is the prompt. So prompt is displayed when you insert a block containing this attribute definition. So this is the default for entering any date, time, or any number. So I am going to provide a tag for this. So I am going to provide a name for this, that is square, and I will give underscore here, meeting table. And now I will give this prompt, and I will write here office and underscore table. And this is default. If you click this, you can provide any date or device, file size, formula, anything. You can enter named object or login, paper size, sheet set. And now I will enter any comment. Okay, and I'm going to enter it for meeting, and I'm going to give text height to fit 6 inches, and I will leave rotation 0, and I will click OK. And now you can see this is the tag for attributes for this table. And now we'll combine this for creating a block. So I'm going to enter B here, and I will rename this as ABC, and I'm going to pick point here. This is my base, and now I'm going to select this object, and now we'll convert this to block, and I'm going to select all of this, and I'm going to enter, and I will check all this, and I'm going to click OK. And now this is edit attributes. So this is the block name ABCD and office underscore table, and you can change this if you want, or you can leave this as. So I'm going to make this as meeting for office space, and I will click OK, and this is edited form. And after this you can write the block. So I'm going to my insert tab here, and this is the for create block, which we have made tutorials in my last video, and this is for writing block. So for writing block is that you can save to any folder. So I'm going to click this write block, and I'm going to make convert to block here, and I am going to save this as, I am going to select this entire things, enter, and now I will save to any folder here, and I am going to save it as new block drawing. So I will save this to my desktop, and now I will open any folder here, drawing, new drawing sheet, and now I am going to insert. I will enter I, and I will use my library, and I am going to browse my block libraries. I am going to my desktop, and we will see for new block drawing here, and I am going to open, and after this I am going to double click this, you can see this is the new block which we have inserted from our libraries. So this is the way of writing attributes. Also you can use attributes to making sheet format. So suppose if I'm going to my any sheet format here, and you are required to write your name and format, you can write your name format drawing sheet like this, and you can use attribute to define your sheet format. And if I am going to my multi-text here, and if I am writing my any name here, name, and I am going to click this, and after this you can write attributes for this, and you can copy this. I'm going to write project here, and I'm going to write here date, and I will divide this. So it is just to make you understand, and you can copy this again, and I'm going to enter drawn by. So if I am going to my attribute again, and I am going to give a tag, and I am going to enter any name for this, and I will prompt here. So I am going to give this prompt information, and I am going to use date and time. So I am going to select this date, and I am going to select this one, and I am going to leave this text height default, and I will click OK, and now I am bringing here. I am going to copy this here, and you can double click to edit this attribute definition, and I am going to rename this as residence design. Okay, and you can change like this. So likewise you can use to create sheet formats also. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in AutoCAD. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.